Hey YouTubers, it's your boy Ned Collins here, and I'm back with another video. And today, what's up y'all? It's your boy Ned Collins here, gang and all that stuff. So today we're gonna do a Q&A, even though I just started my YouTube channel and I don't have a lot of likes, but I do have a lot of views, which I like the most. I'm grateful for that, but my phone's about to die. But we won't do that much because I don't even have that much comments. So here we got one comment on my first YouTube video. Oh, two of them from the same. Okay. Naya, I missed you so much. Oh, well. Okay, the thing is that, hang on, who is this? Oh, okay. Alright, let's continue. Naya, I missed you so much. It's Gigi. Okay, shout out to you. She's actually my cousin, but let's go ahead. Okay, so I don't have any comments for the other two I upload. So, yeah. I guess I'll pretend that the ones that, because I already got 51 views on my YouTube channel, but you know, all that skits and gaming will be coming soon, so I think I know that I might have a lot more likes than usual, because we won't talk about that. Before we even start, I'd like to thank you guys for supporting me. Even though I don't have any likes, but I just started, so I will see. I already see how. But 8 views for the last one I did. 11 views, thank you very much. And 32. Okay, so before we go now. So before we go now, I'd like to thank you y'all for getting me some views. I mean, likes will be, I guess likes will be more better, but I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna just pretend that you guys asked me a question. So like, okay, so some people, well, I do have other two channels, but don't subscribe to them because I don't even use them anymore. But if you do, whatever, I don't care. But okay, so people that's at my school do watch me, so they be asking me questions like, oh, like what? Oh shit. Okay, hang on. I think I got some comments on some game that I have. Okay. Okay. The question is, hang on. 1 second. Alright. Question is, do I have a girlfriend? Well, the thing is that some girls like me, but gotta get a roast. No, I'm just kidding. But I don't like them back. Okay, so let's just say single. Let's just say I will be single. second one is, am I good at dancing? Well, the most popular one first was, you know, I'm good at doing the worm and orange justice, but, you know, Fortnite, I'm good at doing dances, like, not all the dances, but, okay, third one is, okay, would I do YouTube when I'm grown up? Maybe. What? How? How many brothers or sisters do I have? One sister, one little sister, and 3 big brothers. Okay. Am I good at Fortnite? Let's just say I'm in the 3%. Yeah, let's just say I'm a 3%. If you guys know what I mean, then yeah, you can say it. What game am I good at? I mean, what game are you good at? I'm good at horror games, cause it doesn't scare me, but you know, I used to be scared when I was 2 years old, but now I'm not scared anymore. Not even anything, but I don't know, dying, I guess, but I'm not afraid of anything. The other one is, wow, what is wrong? Okay, do I play outside a lot? Usually I look at the fresh air and play with some people, but yeah. Do I play PUBG? Well, what am I supposed to do? Well, okay, yes, I do have PUBG. Well, I have it on my phone right now. Do I play? Yes, I still do. Alright, yeah. The question was, do I play games with curse words? Yeah. But, now I'm over it now. Do I play any Lego games? Or... not anymore. Actually, but I do actually like to... Do I ever brag about anything? Nah. But only if I'm playing around. Like, I don't say, haha, my shoes are better than you, haha. I just like say, yeah, my shoes. No, I'm just kidding. That's what I'd be doing, but, okay. Few more to go and I'm done. Do I have any friends that are up to my age? I mean, like, do they mean by, like, same age? Yes. But if they mean both, like, if they're, like, in 5th grade, like, oh, okay, I misread. Okay, yes, I do have some friends that are higher age than me, and some friends that are up to my age. Do I go to daycare? I gotta admit, it's not that bad actually, but this year I am going on the bus. Am I? Sorry guys, okay. Am I obsessed with money? What are you calling me, a gold digger? No, I'm just kidding. No. Well, used to, but now, no. Cause the last question is dun dun dun. Am I smarter than a 5th grader? No, I'm just kidding. What school do I go to? Keystone Elementary. And yeah, Q&A. Yeah, Q&A. But hey, good news, guys. I am about to do reactions, and guys, I'm thinking about it because what kind of video would I even like do before you guys even like it and stuff like that? But actually, I would do it. No, skits will be like going earlier.